Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to find liked posts on your Instagram account. Alright guys, let's get into it. First of all, open your Instagram application on your phone. Then you have to click on your profile button. Then after that, you can tap on this button on the top right corner of your screen. Then there will be several options for you, and you are going to click on your activity over here. And on your activity, you can select the likes option and just hold on. Okay, and these are the posts that I like on my Instagram account. And to get you easier to find the liked posts, you can filter the post right here. For example, if you want to filter by date, you can click on all date right here. Then you can select last week, last month, past year, or date range. And then for example, I'm going to click on last week. Okay, and this is the post that I like for the past a week. Alright guys, and that's how we can find a liked post on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next tutorial.